Hello guys, in this video we are going to talk about how to sync Obsidian with Google Drive. Now, it's really simple. Now follow on. So here, you first create your folder on the Google Drive for Vault Sync. Name it after yourself or anything else that you prefer. Install Google Drive on your desktop, of course, and then make sure you have Google Drive on your Windows or Mac OS File Explorer. From there, you want to set up your Google Drive folder on Obsidian by creating a new vault. From there, you want to name the vault after your name or anything else. Then create that. Then from there, you want to actually just give it a name and then click the location that you choose your Google Drive and navigate to the folder and then just select that. From there, your vault will be created and you're already there. So next is Google Drive will automatically track and change everything on the vault that you have created, and it's going to be imported right there. So you can also do this in your actual Android devices if you have an Android device, and then use the same name as much as possible. Then install AutoSync for Google Drive for your phones if you want to. Set up the Drive Sync basically, and then go ahead and connect both, and then there you go. Then open the sync location on your local vault on Obsidian and set up the Obsidian sync basically, and then now it will be synced with your other devices, and now you're on your way. So it's just that simple basically to sync Obsidian with Google Drive. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.